friends, I'm here to talk to you today about one of the most magical products in our product lineup. It is so underrated, it is so bougie, it is so fantastic. Y'all, this is like the self-care of self-care. Like if self-caring was caring for itself, this is what it would do. I'm going to talk to you about how to use Mary Kay's Lifting Bio-Cellulose Mask. You guys, this is the most incredible thing. You got a class reunion coming up, you've got a wedding coming up, you've got a gala coming up, you've got that thing you just want to look good, you're going yachting. I mean, like whatever it is, right? Like you want to get that last minute boost to your skin. You guys, this is inspired by K-Beauty. Those people know what's up with skincare. Your skin, okay, from this mask, you got to hear me out on this. Instantly lifted and firmed. Your skin is radiant and it like mega increases your moisture levels for up to 24 hours. So I don't know, that excites me. I don't know if that excites you at all. So I'm going to show you how to use this mask because I feel like most of the people that I see sheet masking are not doing it correctly. Now, friends, this is no ordinary sheet mask. I think I've already covered that, but in case you didn't hear me the first time. So just to kind of give you an idea, if you do this a few times in a week leading up to a wedding, for example, okay? So it visibly lifts and firms in just 2 weeks, and it reduces fine lines and wrinkles after 4 weeks, like visibly reduces, meaning like people are gonna be like, what did you change in the last couple weeks, okay? So it's plant-based, it's from like coconut water, and it kind of makes this like fabric in the mesh or in the mask, and in that is oat kernel extract, orchid, and sodium hyaluronate, which I don't even know what that is, but it's like super hydrating and super moisture retention and lifting properties. So it comes like this. There's a pack of 4 in the box. Okay, you're gonna want to get yourself a pack of 4. This is no joke sheet masking. This is not some ordinary sheet mask you would get at a convenience store. You guys, this is bougie. This is like I said, you want to look really good for that event. Okay, so the first thing I would suggest is just like kneading it, mixing it up, warming it up a little bit because it just makes it a little bit more pliable. You can even run it under warm water just to get it really nice and kind of loosened up. And then you're gonna take the top off. Okay, and it comes out, and this is key, you guys, okay? So you're gonna take the mask out, save the liquid. The liquid is gold. We're gonna put the liquid everywhere, everywhere possible. And you wanna carefully open the sheet mask. Now, the key to this sheet mask is that there are 2 pieces of mesh on it. So first off, this is what it looks like in real form, okay? Hi. You've got little eye patches that you can lay down and sleep and stick the eye patches on the tops of your eye. I love doing that. And so the first step is you're gonna wanna carefully take this mask, and I'm gonna remove the backside mesh. So once I have it held up like this, like, okay, it can go on my face like this, I'm gonna keep that side held towards me. And see how there's this mesh here? So the mask is inside of 2 pieces of mesh like this. So you just pull it off. Okay, so the mesh is nothing. Okay, we're gonna throw that away. So I have removed the mesh, and sometimes it just folded over a little bit. That's no big deal. Now make sure, see this eye thing, make sure the eyes are through the hole like that. Just makes life easier. Okay, now this is what I see all the time when I see people sheet masking. They're like, I'm sheet masking. You guys, it's not even tight on my skin. I'm not even getting the benefits of this amazing mask. Now, what you want to do is you want to get it kind of centered on your forehead. Now, depending on your face shape, you know, if you have like a smaller forehead, you might need to adjust the mask. It might go up into your hair just a little bit, which is why I have my little Mary Kay holder thing on. Okay, you kind of want to just tighten it out just a little bit. Now, there is still another piece of mesh on this that I need to remove. So what I do is I find the mask, okay? So I take one finger, see how I'm holding the mask down with this finger, and then I'm gonna take this other one and I'm gonna pull it off. Now, it's okay if this happens. Like, do not panic if this happens. This is normal, okay? You're just another Tuesday for you. It's so easy to smooth out. And now this is the magic, you guys. You want this thing tight, and perfect on your skin. Okay, so you want to tighten it here in the nose, in the bridge of your nose. You want, sometimes like if the eye holes don't quite line up, that's no big deal. You can just kind of like even tear it open just a slightly. Okay, you want it smooth down your nose. You want all these little wrinkles to go away. Okay, so I'm smoothing it on. And see how tight that is against my skin? Now, here's what's fun. Like I said earlier, if you want to lay down and relax, you can actually close your eyes and lay the Bio-Cellulose Mask over your eye. I love to do that. Just like lay on the couch, just have it on your eyes. It doesn't sting or burn. It feels amazing. And it makes your eyelids like so great. But otherwise, if you're, watching TV and you don't want to have the eyes on, you can just leave them off like this and they just kind of dangle. Okay, so now here's the key. Do not even think about taking this mask off until you've had it on at least 45 minutes, okay? Because, like 20 minutes in, it kind of feels like it's soaking in, but you want to get everything soaked in. So at least a half hour to 45 minutes is what I would recommend. Now, here's the great part, you guys. There's still some like juice in here from the mask. Like this is a situation where you can go ahead and put that on your neck, on your décolleté, like anywhere you just want some extra hydration, extra lift, extra all the goodness. You're gonna put that in. And then you're gonna leave this puppy on nice and smooth. Now, I don't recommend talking a lot while wearing the mask, because it moves around, like it's moving around for me right now as I'm talking, because I'm expressive. I don't recommend, it's hard to eat and drink with. So this is a relaxing experience. Just take a half hour for yourself. Even if it's right before bed, and it feels really good. Now, I do want to give you a pro tip, okay? If you really, really, really want to max this out. Now, first tip is that you should always cleanse your face before you do a mask like this. Like, girl, do not put a bougie, awesome, results in 2 weeks mask on your face like this over makeup with dirty skin, okay? So I cleansed my face with our Timewise Repair Cleanser first. The other tip is, if you do some type of really intense exfoliator before you put the mask on, like I'm talking the Mary Kay Revealing Radiance Facial Peel, if you like chemical exfoliation where the glycolic acid, which is found naturally in avocado, just kind of dissolves all the dead skin off your face, or our microdermabrasion treatment, which is a physical exfoliator that resurfaces your skin and minimizes pores. If you do that first, and then put the Bio-Cellulose Mask on after you get out of the shower, after you're done exfoliating, your skin just soaks it right up, and I feel like you get the max benefits doing it that way. So if you have questions about that or want to try the microdermabrasion or one of our exfoliation options, I have a link in the description of this video where you can sign up if you're not a consultant. One of my customers yet, you can fill that out and I will send you samples, and we do fun beauty in a flash appointments where you can sample that microdermabrasion. But I'm telling you, if you have events coming up, this is where it's at. And you're now a sheet masking pro. You want it nice against your skin, not like, like you're a serial killer or something. You want it to be nice and soft and smooth. And you guys, it feels so soothing and so good. I can't wait for you to get your Bio-Cellulose Mask and give it a try yourself.